Hi everyone, ciao a tutti! Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you're looking to make something sweet and delicious for your significant other, I have just the thing for you. Dark cocoa hearts filled with this gooey, delicious Nutella filling. They are so easy to make and they look really impressive and fancy. Stay with me until the end for some tips that will help you out greatly. All you need are some Nutella in a decorating bag, one of these silicone molds 12 cavity hearts, some heart-shaped candies, some dark cocoa candy melts, I'm going to start by popping some Nutella on a parchment paper. Choose the size based on the size of your heart mold. Place in the freezer for about 20 minutes. In a microwave-safe container, melt down your candy melts for 30 seconds first. Then in 15-second intervals, stirring between each interval to prevent overheating and burning the candy melts. Tip number 1. If you are using a glass container, keep in mind that the glass holds more heat and longer than other materials. So if you see some small pieces of chocolate, just keep stirring until completely melted. Fill a piping bag with the melted candy melts. If you find it difficult, here is tip number 2. You can help yourself by placing the piping bag in a cup. The cup will hold the piping bag for you. Once you have finished, lift it up and push the filling down to keep the top of the piping bag nice and clean. Now I'm going to fill these heart cavities. You want to fill these cavities about half of the way up the mold. Grab the Nutella and by using a spatula or a knife, place each drop in the center of the heart. Once all of them are filled, I'm going to take the rest of my candy melts and cover up all of the hearts. Give the mold a good tap to make sure that everything is nice and level. And then pop it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes so that your hearts are completely set. As you can see, these are completely frozen. So I'm going to give the size a tag here to help loosen the candy from the mold. It will just make it easier to pop them out. And then I will put each of them on this plastic board covered with parchment paper here so that I can decorate them. These turn out awesome. I'm quite impressed with how easy that was and how great they look. Now I just have to finish them off with some decorating. Here I have some red candy melts that I'm going to melt in the microwave. I also added some red gel to intensify the color. If after melting it looks like this, they may be a little bit old, but don't worry. Here is tip number 3 to fix it. You can add some coconut butter or vegetable oil while still warm. Stir until fully incorporated and your candy melts will look fabulous. Fill a piping bag or just a simple Ziploc bag, just like I'm doing here. Cut the little corner of the bag very small. Here is tip number 4. Test the drizzling on the parchment paper first. Get comfortable with the speed. Once you are ready, just drizzle over the hearts and add the candies before the chocolate sets. And there you have it, a simple, impressive sweet treat that anyone will love this Valentine's Day. You can gift it to someone special, or you can have them out for friends and family. Look at this gooey feeling. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Leave me a comment and let me know what sweet treats you will be making this Valentine's Day, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any other great ideas. Thank you for watching.